Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by narrowing options and acting immediately. Choose the extension you want, COM if possible, or a cheaper country code, and line up 3 to 5 name variants. Once done, use a Whois lookup and multiple registrars to check availability and first-year promos. Make sure to record both initial price and renewal rate. These often differ. You'll avoid wasting money by prioritizing renewal cost and promo terms before you buy the cheapest domain now. You now compare registrars carefully. Don't be lured by the lowest headline price without reading renewal and add-on fees. Calculate total cost, first year plus renewal, privacy, and possible transfer fees. Once done, search for coupon codes and bundle discounts and check if the registrar offers price matching. Make sure to disable unnecessary auto-added services during checkout. Only add Whois privacy or email if required. You'll save significantly. You finish by purchasing with a registration length that balances savings versus flexibility. 1 to 3 years often locks promo pricing. Once bought, enable Whois privacy and two-factor authentication and set auto-renew while noting the renewal price. If you face transfer delays or DNS issues, contact registrar support and request the auth code and status check. Make sure domain is unlocked. A common fix is unlocking, obtaining the auth code, then initiating the transfer within the transfer window.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.